Hello boys and girls, hello my Martians. Welcome back again to another video. I hope you're enjoying seeing me. And thank you so much for the support that I've been getting. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. Let's get this banger started. I think that's it. Yeah. Hope you enjoy. See you in a hot minute.